last but not least, we were supposed to have district final Friday in high school baseball. Mother Nature turned that into showdown Saturday, but there was one holdover, and it was worth the wait. Division I, Bowling Green and Findlay meet again. Trojans walked off last month. But bottom two, the Bobcats get the bats moving. Braden Clausen connects with runners in scoring position. Bobcats build a 1-0 edge, but Findlay fights back in the fourth. Bases chucked. Hunter Kaiser does his job. Single in a center. Two Trojans scurry in to take a 2-1 lead. This was a nail-biter all the way through. BG ties it in the home half. So we go to extras. Bottom 8, 2 on for Michael Becker. And they only need one. 3-2, Bobcats walk it off to play St. John's in the regional semis.
Well, I saw it go through the hole. I made sure I got to first base. Coach told me to get there, and I turned around and just a swarm of red. Couldn't ask for anything better. It was definitely tough. They had a lot of runners on base, a lot of scary moments, and our team, we battled, we got through it.
Oh, it's amazing. Something we work for every year. It's expected of us, so to go out and win it like that, special thing for sure. The 2020 season was taken away, and to come out here and just put in the work throughout these past 2 years and be able to do that, it's amazing. I'm really proud of this team, really proud of their effort.
Brother was Nicky, called the game on BCSN. He has the last at-bat.
Thanks. Back out here at Carter Park, where today was the perfect day to try and win a district title. And let's start with this. Bowling Green coming in as the number 8 seed. Well, they had the 8th inning. They had the number 8 hitter at the plate, and he was wearing jersey number 8. Michael Becker coming through in the clutch. And this was a bit of redemption for the Bowling Green Bobcats as they lost in walk-off fashion back on April 6th to this Findlay team. Final score in that one was 5-4. Today, the Bobcats get it done 3-2, earning the district title. And throughout this game, you can't say that both teams didn't have their opportunities. Combined, there were 18 runners left on base, and Bowling Green just needed that opportunity to be the home team, come through, get it done when it counted, and Michael Becker was that guy. Give a lot of credit to Caden Seither as well. He came on in relief and just continued to keep this ball game tied with his pitching, working out of jams. And then you go to the Findlay Trojans, a team that has not won a district title since 2005. They left 10 on base today, had a bases loaded opportunity late in this ball game, couldn't come through with that clutch hit. So this one's definitely going to sting for the Trojans, who earned their way here with some victories over Springfield and that district semifinal win over Clay. But now the Bowling Green Bobcats have captured the district title. They're going to take on the St. John's Titans in regionals right back down here in Bowling Green over at Bowling Green State University. A big win for Fred Briggs and the program. Bowling Green now 18-11. Michael Becker comes through in the clutch.